Hi everyone, my name is Curtis. Welcome to the InnoChef channel. This is part 4 of 4 of my series on turkey. Today we're keeping things easy and we're roasting just a wing and a thigh with some Chinese 5-spice. Let's go. I love Chinese 5-spice. It contains star anise, cloves, cinnamon, Sichuan peppercorns, and fennel seeds. The only other ingredient here is salt, about 2 teaspoons. Rub the spice and salt in, do it all inside the bag, keep your hands clean, seal it up, roll it, and leave it overnight. Get a cast iron pan, set it to medium heat, and put about a teaspoon of grapeseed oil or canola. Get it nice and hot. When it starts smoking, add your wing. The goal here is just to brown the meat evenly, so be sure to flip it over on each sides, hold it on its side with the tongs, and flip it over and make sure it's all nice and brown. Set that wing aside and add your thigh. Same thing, let's go skin side down first. Get that nice and brown, flip it over, and again we're going to sear all sides evenly, nice and brown all over. We want to hang on to the flavor from the 5-spice and the chicken fat, so we're going to deglaze this pan with some Shaoxing cooking wine. These flavors will steam into the meat when you cover the pan with foil. Bake that in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. When that's done, remove the foil, then put it back in the oven uncovered for 30 more minutes. Take a meat thermometer and press it into the thickest part of the thigh and check for an internal temperature of 180 Fahrenheit. That meat's looking done and tasty, so let's carve it up. Start by splitting the wing at the elbow joint. Flip that over and take off the wingtip, also at the joint. You can remove a large portion of the thigh by tracing along the bone. If you hold the bone vertically against the cutting board, you can safely remove more meat. I love thigh meat. It's like the juiciest part of any bird. You can finish up by slicing the largest piece of meat into small little pieces. So that's it. Gather up all the meat, put it on a platter or serve it directly on the cutting board, and enjoy your turkey. One last thing, before you serve it, be sure to taste it. So that's it for 2020. We'll see you in the new year with some new recipes, a new intro, and some new equipment. We'll see you next year.